Kakhulu iNingizimu Afrika njengongizwe umlando wakwamthunu untombi zimdabalanga zamqoma ngoba simthanda ivumavumane evunyelwe laseMelika ngoba ngisho Obama uyivumile. Ngibona nje ngiqhamuka ngalesikhathi ngiyethemba niyangizwe emakhaya ngamakhaya ngoba sekuyisikhathi manje sokuthi iqiniso selikhuluma ngesikhathi salo ukhule mawumuntu empilweni ubuke izimo ukuhamba kwazo nokuphetha kwazo nokuthi uphinde futhi lento ekuthiwa i-second chance or i-warning empilweni ibalekile yokuthi sikwazi ukuyicabanga izinto ezinjengalezo bese kuthi-ke when it come to a last resort kube i-last result yangempela futhi hayi yokudlala hayi i-last result ezophinda ijike futhi ingabi yiyona i-last result ngoba njengamanje we got a very big problem. Our country yalwa kwathathwa umhlaba wethu ngama-16 centuries. Uthi mawuthatha umhlaba wethu ngama-16 centuries Jan van Riebeeck imikhumbi yabe Afrika khona koKapa koStellenbosch. Emveni kwalokho abelungu baba neprivilege edlula umuntu abamfice khona kulo mhlaba. Yebo ngiyavuma intuthuko noguquko oluthinta ukuthi amazwe abo abevele ethuthukile esentshonalanga enevision akhiwe yibo futhi abantu abamnyama bezigqila emazweni omhlaba akoMelika. Ngithi ke kunina Ningizimu Afrika njengamanje ngizophawula ngodaba olubaluleke kakhulu le status of our own country from 1994 kuze kuzoba manje 30 years of democracy. uChris Hani wahamba ngo-1993 before he see the dawn of democracy. uMandela waphuma ejele emveni kwalokho wakwazi ukuthi afomishe into ebizwa kuthiwa i-Rainbow Nation. Azange silwe nabelungu kodwa bona balwa nathi during 16 centuries baphinde balwa nathi ngesikhathi senkosi uCetshwayo kaMpande baphinde bazolwa nathi nangesikhathi la sesifuna ke izwe kwaze kwafomishwa i-African National Congress movement ngo-1912 lo 1912 okwenzeka ngazo lezi zimangaliso zokuthi umuntu omnyama akwazi ukuthi uzokhumbula ngo-1903 ukuthi kwenzakalani uDr Peter Kaseme owama phezulu kwamangisi United Kingdom for the first time in history egqoka ijazi lezemfundo ephakeme lamagama asho uThabo Mbeki asethume ngawo uThabo Mbeki amagama lawo aqala ukushiwo udokotela uSeme ngoba yini na kwakuyihlazo ukuthi umuntu omnyama utholakala usiqasha ngobuwena wathi mayigqoka ijazi eCambridge University wafike wama phezulu kwezitha zethu phezulu kwamangisi wathi I am an African. Amagama lawo okwangelula ukuthi ungawasho uma uwumuntu ocindezelwe kakhulu ngesikhathi so isenkosi ucetshwayo cindezelwa wonke umuntu uthi umuntu akayikhohlwe thi into ebalekile inkolo sibe vele sifice sina inkolo ngoba akekho wasibuzela ukuthi bengakafika abelungu neBhayibheli ingakafiki impucuzeko lesi ebonakala njengamanje ngemkhumbi ekathi sihleli isikadobani. We were so unfortunate. And in now generation, so we are a generation of research, we are a generation of history, and we are the generation of truthful and the direction yokuthi unity ngalayo. And amongst us, some of us are very fearful. Some of us asinindaba asabi futhi siyaqonda umuntu ngqo. Asimbuka amasayidi. Simqonda ngqo umuntu. Kunjalo nje. Ngakho ke ngizokhuluma ngendaba yokuthi since the dawn of democracy uNelson Mandela wadayisa ngomphefumulo wakhe. Wadayisa ngomlando kalanga libalele nokhongolose. Wathi abelungu abagonwe. Kwabonakala indlela oxoxa ngayo ngoba umuntu owahamba ngo1993 wayengeka ivume leyo nto. So ngicela ukudwebeleka lokho ukuthi kungani uma uChris Hani ahamba ngo1993 elwela ukuthi umuntu omnyama akabe nomnotho o100%. After 30 years of democracy akekho umuntu ona any economic structure. Khuluma ngeprivate sector la angikhuluma ngomathenda mina nawe nibuye nihambe niye back lapha. We still have nothing. We still bowing to our enemies. Yenziwa nini inhlambuluko phakathi kwamabhunu ayibulala abantu. Yenziwa nini inhlambuluko ka1976 because we are in an African continent. Even imhlaba engeyona yama-Afrika isiko iyaligcina. Namhlanje eAmerica kade incwatshwa ke uClick Charles uma bekhuluma uthi I know my husband usho umfazi uyeke ukuthi umfazi ubephepeza emngcwabeni wendoda yakhe that is not African. Kodwa amagama bewakhuluma ethi I know ukuthi la ukhona uyangibona, la ukhona uyasibona, la ukhona uyangizwa. So that is a very powerful ancestral preaching. Kusho uhlanya uThabo lisho lithi uyasizwa la ukhona. Ngakho ke this is what we are going to do for you. Ngoba ufele ukuthi you have voiced out the truth and the life yokuthi fanele iphilwe kanjani ufundisa ontanga yenu nezizukulwane zayo. Yini eyenzekileke namanje ke uChris Hani wafa efela lokho. uMandela wasubmit wasarenda kodwa kwayenza sense waba igugu lomhlaba kwayenza sense kubonakala ukuthi South Africa ifuna ukubumbana ibe into eyodwa ibe kahle nje. And then sadeclare emhlabeni jikelele wazothola ngisho iNobel Peace Prize. Niyangizwa? Angiphethe pen, angiphethe phepha. Khuluma the heart, khuluma inhliziyo, khuluma ubuholi, khuluma ubuntu, khuluma iqiniso. Nina mgodoyi ephathi ipish. Lento ungathotha ngiyazi nje. Ngoba all you care about is your stomach and your economical protection system. That's all you care about. Ngithi ke mina emveni kwalokho kwenzakalani dororo no economy kwaqatshulwana nabelungu abelungu benza show ukuthi iWorld Cup yokuqala esayitholayo iRugby ngo1995 ibe South Africa ukuze South Africa ideclarewe kahle ukuthi ngempela for the first time in history eAfrica sesithole i-Rainbow Nation country engenabandlululo ongacwasana kulona asikuba umsindo ukuthi nje besibonelo nje South Africa emhlabeni jikelele weziphuphuko ngiyahlanya izwe liyahamba emveni kwalokho kwaba yigugu yawina futhi benza sure ukuthi siyayiwina futhi kwaqhawulana kwamnandi 1996 kwaqhawulana kwamnandi sawina iAfcon kwabonakala ukuthi hayi cha impela hayi uJesu uyile uJesu ekuphi uJesu lutho uphila wathola khona kuhlangana khona kukhulunywa ngomnotho sanikezwe uhulumeni uhulumeni mayisinikezwa yena lo uhulumeni akazange abe lokhu into eyenzekile kwaguqulwa lelizwe laba i-social welfare state. Into ke eyenzakala kwe njengamanje ngamza kwethu to be straight in the point ngizokhuluma ngodaba olubalekile. Ngizoqala ngokuthi ngibonga kakhulu kumphakathi waseVryheid ikakhulukazi eMondlo ukwazi ukuthi uhlangane kanye nathi wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi uya lokhunja uyahlangana phinde futhi utoyitoye wenze ubulungiswa endaweni yabo ngoba sine problem eserious kulelizwe. Sinohulumeni o-operator ngokuba i-ambulance, sinohulumeni o-operator ngokuba sicishamlilo, sinohulumeni wama-emergencies, asinawo uhulumeni o-proactive. We don't have those leaders. If the certain voice is popular known as being a head voice, we're gonna use that voice noma kanjani ukuthi siyafa siyaphila asinendaba nalokho. Engingakusho mina ke ukuthi ngikhulumile mina nomongameli uCyril Ramaphosa wayebheke Northwest ngentombi le esebenza communication office lakhe uAthi wangikhulumisa nongqongqoshe kagesi wangithembisa ngangazi ukuthi mina bazoba nomhlangano lephezulu ukuthi ngizohlangana mina naye ekutheni isilungisa udaba naseFriday ngoba lo unlawful. Ngakwenza lokho ngoba njengo leader of the society kufanele mina umphakathi mawucomplete kwaze wafika kimi ngikwenza lokho. Ngakho ngisho ukuthi ke mina umphakathi waseFriday engakwethembisayo mina kuyeza futhi kuzokwenzeka futhi izolungiseka leyo nkinga. Nabanye masipala abasukume nabo besiqiniseko sokuthi izwi labo liyezwakala, inkinga ababhekene nazo ziyezwakala ukuze siyilungise. Aseke isikhathi sokudlala manje. Yitho baba manje. Umfana useneyisakafuseke manje. Yitho baba manje. Ingane zethu siyangqongqoza la emva kwethu. Sogcina siba obaba laba abanomhobholo, abanomona, abavimbile, abavimbe young stars, young leaders, young talent as a result of these forefathers of us that still exist and betrayed us about ukuthi bona bakhululele lelizwe balithatha balisonisabe. Ziyakhala manje. Emveni kwalokho iphinde futhi ngixolisa kakhulu kumphakathi waseMpumalanga namaphethelo. BekuneMpumalanga festival enkulu kakhulu engigcine ngakwazanga ukuphumelela ukuya kuyona ngoba besiphengwe enkulu ngithunyiwe nami ukuba ngiphuthume le eNorthwest la bekukhona umgubho ka100 years umkhosi wabesizwe samahlubi kanye namampondo abehlangene khona bengazi ukuthi kunobukhosi obukhulu kangaka lapha obuyilento obuyiyona. Thema silithi siyaqeda siphuthuma lena ama-hours phikisa ngoba abantu bafa nje ilento yokugijima emgwaqeni bakhathale bangabe besakwazi ukuba nama-priorities yokuthi cha singafika lapha ngeke sakwazi ukufika. Ingxolo enganza ukuthi angiyena umuntu omenywa angafiki kodwa-ke ngelinye ilanga kuzolunga. Kodwa ngibonile ukuthi umcimbi waseMpumalanga uhambe kahle kakhulu futhi sinabaphathi bakhona siyahlela futhi ukuthi yonke into yakhona ihambe kahle nangonyaka ozayo oDr Mkhwebane uMzukulu sibabonile befika kumnandi kuhle kudelile. And then ke isigaba sesibili ngizongena ke esigabeni sibaluleke kakhulu. Unhlanhla General Mkhwanazi. Unhlala General Mkhwanazi utholakale addressa mhla 6 uJuly. Lo 6 July abe addressa ngawo uwona lo owenze disaster, and naye I believe ukuthi it was the last resort, ngoba thina labo baholi mina ngiphilile nawo ngibazi attitude yabo in and out. Ma ngabe umuntu nje oshibhile njengami kanje, they don't take notice of you until something unusually happens, then they react. And then nakhona ukureacta kwabo ba reacta ngokuzokumanage, bese begijima beyochazela ama boss abo leziphuphu lezi kakhongolose nabaholi laba bagcwele lapha beyiphuphu iduphunga lezi, bese igijima sizothi I don't worry sir, don't worry mphathi is under control. Besho thina bethi we are under control. Beqamba manga bemisleader umholi ebebuka enye into yena ngapha ngapha ubuka enye into, uyabona. But they don't know those are haters. Who is under control? There's nobody that is under control. Who is angry, and there is nobody is under control. Who have no economy, there is nobody under control. Who is hungry, and the state is being turned to a social welfare state, and is being looted by criminals. And for ukuthi uMkhwanazi aphumele obala ngomhla ka 6 July akhulume lento ayikhulumayo, for me personally ngiyamncoma kakhulu ngalokho. Umsizwa lobo kwaZulu sikubiza ngomsizwa leyo nto. Well done kwale Nkosi. Nawo indoda uyazazi nawo unamaphutha. Akekho umuntu ongenamaphutha. Umuntu mayiphefumula unamaphutha. Nawo unawo amaphutha akho, but okuningi okuhle sikubonile ukwenza thina. Sikubonile wenza uzinzo kwi province yethu, especially thina la commissioner khona kwaZulu Natal. Kodwa futhi ngeke ngisho ukuthi mina uyisokela ngalasici. Kodwa futhi angikwazi futhi ungakubongeli futhi ubuqhawe bakho ukuthi kuzosungulwa i-commission engasungulwanga uRamaphosa, i-commission kaNkulunkulu ke le. This is a God commission. Madlangadlanga committee check in communication. Imadlangadlanga commission lena is a commission of God. It's not a commission that declared by Ramaphosa. Never. Angjalo. Into engizoyisho ke mina iyodwa yokuthi how many commissions that we have had in this country. Truth Commission ubani obhadle ejele. Kwi-Truth Commission umuntu wagcina ebhadle ejele uyedwa. Bazokhumbula obaba noma bengasekho oMandela no Tutu. Wabhadla umuntu oyedwa lo umlungu wabulala uKhrizani. Wafa abantu abangaki lelizwe. Because it was built to manage a situation and ukuthi lihile abantu ukuthi cha athi umuntu ngibhodlile vele umfowethu ngeke savuka base beyakhohliswa. Papa man Africa. 2 Marikana Commission. I-Marikana Commission ubani waboshwayo lapha? Ubani obhadle ejele ku-Marikana Commission kwafa abantu bakithi abangaka na? Ma-Afrika ngiyabuza alama commission. Ngenza ukuthi ngiyabuza. Ngithi Ningizimu Afrika ngiyabuza alama commission. No one was arrested because laba bantu they sit under one umbrella, they sit under one roof, emveni kwalokho baprotectane but once ami ngiyacela. Kwenzakalani eMarikana? eNorthwest. Boshpala. The real gurus, they were never arrested. Kwenzakalani? Next. Ngiyakutshela ngithi mina emveni kwalokho to fast forward kwaba ne-unrest kulelizwe. Kwaba neZondo Commission before unrest. iZondo Commission eyathatha 1 billion ukuhlala kwayo. Zizikodwa siphuzela nabo sidakala nabo ushwala nje. Kodwa baze bavuma ngisho ukuvuma ukuthi uZizikodwa evuma ukuthi kwa transfer 800,000 kwi-account yakhe. Kwi-account yakhe wathengela imoto somewhere somehow. Ngikhuluma la ngepolitician eyavuma ifandwe guilty kwiZondo Commission. kodwa any prosecution 0, any arrest 0. Ukwethe Mantashe kwazi kwayongisha emzini wakhe kwenziwe research yokuthi kunenkinga yokuthi kwaba nama development e-security okama camera lo muzo lo gishima amabhoko le Eastern Cape kara intuzuma isisu le ukwethe Mantashe wakwabosho wakwa step aside 0. Umama uNomvula amankonyane watholakala naye implicated kwiZondo Commission. Ibusasa was implicated kuZondo Commission. Kodwa umastermind wakhona watholakala ekhululekile esentaze esebhakuza nankinga emvololoko kwathi ufile ubulawe icorona yamginqa phansi kwebridge. Imoto yayiphilela akunalutho kodwa umuntu ufile umngcwabo wakhe sasiwubona njengoba Sharp Clerk eAmerica sezwe kuthiwa is no more. We are being managed. We are being managed. We are being managed, South Africans. We are in danger and we are being managed. And then, emveni kwalokho isaka leli lakwabusasake elelamaloko kuthiwa washona abebephethe nalo kuthiwa bewuCEO owakhona wa-attend icala kabili kathathu kwabonakala kwasekukhulunywa nemedia kuthiwa tswi vala nama-sanction yokuthi lento ingaveli kakhulu kwi-media futhi abantu bayihluphekela vele banenkinga kagesi bazosheshe bakhohlwe and then we are blinded sakhohlwa ziphukuphuku 500 billion of corona othwa ubolekiwe omunye igrant yashona phela mali yatholakala ukuthi angazozweli bahlomula on point bani obani bahlomula 0 othiwa kuyasesha wathi utholakala kanjalo wathiwa yilale watholakala ukuthi lapha kwiZondo Commission kwi-step capture sakhona amagupta injini yokuluthwa kwelelizwe including indodana ka-former president uJacob Zuma was the center of all those things. Babizwa kwi-commission. Any arrest? 0. Yini ehlulukula njalo abantu bale India? 0. Is a wasteful expenditure that make no sense. Wasuka lapho kwazongena isigaba se-commission okuthiwa i-Phoenix Massacre. La kwafa khona abantu aba more than 1,500, if not 2,000. Abantu abafa lapha ePhoenix during the unrest bebulawa amandiya ebabulala ngoba ngihlala ngisho ngithi mina amandiya sijwayela kabi amandiya i-independent state within the state, independent country within the city of Durban, and independent country within the province of KZN. Even General Mkhonazi is not doing justice akuthiwa amandiya ukhuluma kwakhe nje eqonde kanjeyana kodwa ngamchallenge nasiqaleni namanje I'm still challenging him ukuthi lokuqonda kwakho nje lokuthulufulu kwakhe kanje uthini ngamakula avula 24 hours otops bakhona ama-drugs adayiswa njengeyinkobe lapha aphosela njengeyinkobe lapha njengeyimabuli akundaba zalutho amakula ne-army yawo ano reaction no KZN bani angeni lutho lapha naluyabulawa lushuphulwe kunanompulo kuphoswa kongisha abantu lapha ePhoenix. I-West lekukhalwa ngayo isupply ePhoenix ngama-drugs ingane ezincane elapha eBhambayi naseNanda bese zibulala abantu bese kuthiwa zonakele supply amakula amandiya because at the mastermind they've learned ukuthi thina siwike kangakanani, so they got all means of protecting them. That's why they are Hare Krishna. Yo, from Philippines, I don't care. You can kill me today. But let me say, ngiyabuyona ngiyena. Ngiyamtshela mina. Anginesabi futhi, anginendaba futhi. Mina iPhone yami ngilocate futhi ngikuphi. Ningibulala. Come, I'm waiting for you. Ngimtshela iqiniso mina manje. Abantu engidila nabo yilaba ontanga yethu bama-80s, yilaba ontanga abasilama bama-90s nama-2000. Can you imagine ukuthi i-system i-bloated kangakanani? How bloated the system it is. If kunamakhehla abantu othi wazalwa ngo-1940 uqaqazelela usaphethe, wazalwa ngo-1950 60 usaphethe, he's not willing to let the spear to the next generation. Uphathele ukuthi usaphefumula afe kusasa, then nowhere. Upravin Kodwana i-vision ahamba i-present iphi yaphila ayiphile. There's no way, there's no system to groom the next generation in this country. Manje ke kulama commission enkhuluma ngawo, nansi ke le commission okuyona ke esungulwe uNkulunkulu ke manje, ngoba sinomholi oRamaphosa onenkinga yokuthatha izinqumo. Is a fear of decision-making leader and is an unfortunate leader. Umholi onebhat bese phinde futhi azoba umholi onenkinga yokuthi uma ngabe uyasaba uthatha inqumo ngoba kufanele ayoconsulta koyisemkhulu babo kabakhe eStellenbosch. Ngithi ke mina into ezokwenzeka njengamanje, as the president of the Bhinqa Nation, I'm not longer a politician. I'm not a politician. I'm not affiliated with any political organization. I'm not a card-holding member of anything, but I am the leader of the society. Egypt, umphakathi wasukuma kwaba khona uguquko. Ingane zasukuma, intsha yasukuma. eBrazil wasukuma umphakathi kwaba khona uguquko. Khuluma kumanje former president wakho nosejele. Bese kuzothi eNepal umphakathi wakho usukumile wenza iqiniso. Namhlanje kunoguquko. eFrance kuyaliwa uzoba khona futhi uguquko. Canada, Indonesia, kulelizwe kuvula utshwala, kwavula amagranti, kwavula social welfare ukuthi hayi emabethi wakhuluma sibathi emvelo kwalokho bese gejinywa kuyohlekwa kubanjwa ama meeting to don't worry chief, don't worry commander, don't worry president, everything is under control. Bese hleka behlekisa owezimzimu uqapha inyama yomuntu ebhodweni. Oh, it's being managed. Besho thina sihlekwa kanjalo kuthiwa we are being managed and we are being controlled. How many South Africans that are abroad everywhere in the world? Kodwa labo bantu zero. Abanakiwe izwe labo. Kodwa amathiwa kuyavota kuthiwe amanye embassy yothola ama ballots. Is insane. Kanza kwethu ningezama Afrika. Bese ngizobuya ukuthi inhloso yokukhuluma kwethu la akukona ukuthi ngikhuluma mina ngivula amehlo. Invulela i-now generation, invulela i-future generation. Kulungile ke thina baba bethu sebesenzele phansi baba bethu. Thina ke senzani ke thina kwenza iqiniseko ukuthi ingane zethu they don't experience the same suffering as a result of this system. Ngiyibuzela nje. Ngendlela abantu abangasebenzi ngabo lelizwe ngiyaphoxeka. Ngendlela abantu abokufika abaningi ngabo lelizwe iqala lelo. I would be very frank and straightforward. Uyabona abantu bokufika aba illegal. Ngikhuluma ngabantu mina abanama kwabona labo kuthiwa baba legal. Abekho legal nolutshana ngeqiniso. Abantu abantu befika ngendlela lelizwe lifike ngayo banama home affairs endlini zabo. Bakwazi ukuprinta ama license ase South Africa. Bakwazi ukuprinta ama ID ase South Africa. Bakwazi ukuyiprintela bona ama certificate. Bakwazi ukuhlona isystem yase home affairs, baklone isystem yakwa foreign affairs. Bese bezenzela bona becharge imali abangayikwenzanga lokho bazokhokhela izitafu zangaphakathi ulizenza lokho. Yicala le nto leyo. So into engiyisho ke mina ukuthi ke njengamanje lawo ma permit awe expire yini ukuthi osemthethweni nongeke emthethweni. ngaphandle ukuthi silwe ngaphandle kwempi bangakwazi ukuthi besishayise ngomoya noma kube nesizini nje ukuthi bevakashe ngoba likho phela izwe lingaphila ngaphandle komunye umuntu wakwelinye izwe amazwe mahle ngiphilisana lento lokuthiwa illegal foreigners and legal foreigners chaza lezo zinto lezo abahambe abadingakala kulelizwe siyacela sicela ukuxoxa ezomndeni izinkinga zekhaya seziningi kakhulu umuntu nje ngokufika kulelizwe bakwethu siyacela ukuthi akethe ukuvakasha kubo naye akawushisa impepho yakubo ngoba ngenze ukuthi lamaphatha afika nabo kuyenzeka ushela intombi ukhamwe intombi uphele lomsebenzi kuyenzeka ushela intombi ukhamwe intombi ufe ubulawa abantu kuyenzeka ushela intombi uqomise ube nezibhathi unyanywa abantu ngiyacela kanza kwethu ngithi mina njengamanje abantu bokufika peacefully siyacela bakwethu ngibonga kakhulu kumfowethu lo uJomo Mfowasibiya ukwazile ukuthi kuboshwe ama-illegal foreigners ngokwe-record siyitholile ama illegal foreigners ase-China more than 20 agwetshwa bese kuba namanye angaza u100 bani angiwathole ngokwe-research ukuthi nawo aboshiwe amanye apounder asiwa ey'ndaweni thizeni kodwa-ke uSibiya ngizomchallenge into lezo-2 uDeputy Minister loyo wala kwaZulu Natal uqalele uCelemba ngekhanda lo lapha eNquthu umbazo lona ngamchallenge ngimbona emcimbini walapha ebukhosini emzinyana sakhuluma naye ngathi mina mfowethu amabhinqa amawasebenzi kumnandi manje wagxeka ukuthi abame inkunzi kumnandi manje wagxeka amabhinqa amnithi ayizinkaba yathengwa bolawa abantu kumnandi wawo wagxeka nithi nina emateksini ashayela kabi awasebenza amabhinqa ami wena ungqongqoshe owazi inkinga zethu kuphi la ogijima khona ukuthi mongameli letha phela abantu ngoba we will do that on a fair practice ngiqasha amabhinqa ami uNkulunkulu wami ingane zami ilambile nami ngubaba wenzana ukuthi umuholo wenzani ungabakhaleli abantwana bakho ukuthi abantwana bami balambile akhona bangwazi ukushehlela ngisho amahlaya akukho kusebo amahlaya manje akusahlekwa manje zilambile ingane ziyafa zimnika ama library ukuze kuse zidla ama-drugs zakayithandi ziphuza utshwala zakayithandi ingane zizala kangaka nje akayithandi wathembisa kimi ngathi mina at least oma-100 wathi macingwane ngekuphele lo nyaka ngizozama noma ngabe kuthiwa u-50 wamabhinqa aphi lo mabhinqa aphi I'm challenging you ngithi mina promise is a promise ngithi mina ungqongqoshe kagesi wangithembisa ukuthi sizobonana naye silungise indaba sa-Friday sikhulume ngendaba ye-crisis ya-South Africa ngicela sibonane naye nawe Jomo Sibiya as a deputy minister ngicela sibonane naye ngoba noma singangigxeka kanani kodwa izinto siyifuna kini ngoba yinini eniphethe istructure sokuphila kwethu unless the country must go on a 0 degree then we see how we survive just like old days siyolima emakhaya namanje-ke ngiyakuchallenge bese ngiphinde futhi ngithi esibili i-challenge engifuna ukunixwayisa ngayo Sibiya musana ubaba hole nisiqambe lamanga yabona le nkinga le yama-feeding scheme lethiwa ukonja kwengane lokuthiwa kuyaphakwa kuyathululwa kweziwani kuphakelwa ingane ey'koleni awukwazi ukuthi angazi uma nifundiswa lePhalamende once you take an oath yokuba umuholi umkakho ihlobo zakho ama-associates akho labo bantu labo funa befune i-alternative yokuphila enga-affiliate ku-government ngoba there is no way that you can be the leader of the government and not be influentially any decision making concerning any tender or anything yabona ngithi ke mina nganza kwethu awukwazi ukuzochaza emphakathini ukuthi hayi cha sesiwithdrawile lapho umngami waye applyele on his own usisi wami waye applyele on his own awukho on his own kulomhlaba esiphila kuwona where there is so much corruption and so much influence. Same thing applies kubaba umfowethu uHlomuka. Umfowethu uHlomuka kokuyiphutha lokho akukhuluma ku TV. Namanje I still repeat and I'm very frank about it. Ukuthi your associations and your relatives ukuthi waresign ngo-2014 kusho wacima ukhuluma lezi zinto ezikhulumayo akusebenzi namanje ngimile ngiyasho ngithi mina umthetho kahulumeni awuvumi le nto. Something applies kubaba uZweli Mkhize 2015 ezochaza ukuthi umkakhe waclimba igagasi wazoshona phezulu wathola itender ka-30 million yakwa-agriculture ku-national. Ayikho into on his own, that is corruption. Kube kukhona omama bodayisa amagwinya bahleli ngaphandle ey'koleni ey'ndaweni ngaphandle yini nge-emporisha labo bantu ama-co-op abo abantu abakwazi ukubonga abantu abakwazi ukuthandaza abakwazi uku-appreciate siyisizwe esibongayo siyisizwe sivumayo ukukhuliswa kodwa nina nibona ukuthi into efanele sifandele grant ninecala kulungithi 30 years ngisho umlungu wabulala uChris Hani i-freedom fight saphuma free manje, but we are still stuck in the dark of no economy. Nganza wethu, where are we going? Ubili umbuzo nganza wethu. Umili umbuzo. Into enjani le? Into enjani nje? Mawuyibuka nje lo muntu into enjani? Washo noZungu khumbula kahle 2011. Hayi, my son on his own. Yini le nto le? Eduduzani wakwazi ukuyikhulela nje uyishonela phezulu nje kuma-gupta on his own. Awuyikho into enjengaleyo, is corruption. Unless-ke nilegalize-ke nithi-ke hayi-ke umuntu-ke emangabe kukho ephethe unelungelo lika-10% njengakulamanye amazwe ko-America nobani bani yabo ukuthi unelungelo lika-10% kuyidila esuke eyisilile ya sakushayela ihlombe lokho phela usebenzele nakusisizile yabo. So-ke lezo zinto lezo azikho ukuthi labo ngqongqoshe abaningi kangaka abanamaplazi bonke abanezimali ihlobo zabo zonke zi-rich kodwa bahola malini. Ngithi-ke mina sengiphetha nganza kwethu Fikile Mbalula ayimfowethu cha ngiyabonga. You are a star, movie star, talk show. Ukuyibulela kwakho Fikile Mbalula wena niyafanana noMalema. uMalema uyakhumbula ukuthi waye youth league walama welama ube uMelusi Kigaba, one of the noble leaders, and then ifuna lokho uthola ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi wena likhuluma uMathanda oMalema babarish ko On Point Engineering nawe eMbalula wabarish. Uhlulwa yini ukuthi experience yakho nayo wenze isiqiniseko sokuthi uyasilungisa isimo esikhongolose kunalokho uyaxova unolimi lokuxova wenza izinto ukhuluma izinto nje uziyele ukhuluma iphikisa. And futhi you are not an accessible leader. You are the leader okwazi ukuthi usebenzisa abantu exactly like a condom, and then you dump them easy. And you have done it several times with different leaders of different organizations, manipulating the system to climb your ladder to the Secretary General position where you are. Uzuphupha ukhuluma ney'ntatheli usuku nosuku. Is there wrong leso? Siyazi-ke mina ukuthi iqiniso kufanele selikhulume elinye. Senikwenzile-ke konke lokho. Sengikhulumile ngento kababa uZondi uMkhwanazi. Noma simula ukungenyela namhlanje naye kule yakho mashena kaMadlangadlanga. Kodwa kukunento eyodwa engithi mina ngifuna ukuyixwayisa kulelizwe. Yebo, sinenkinga impela. Kodwa asikwazi ungabi yilona izwe kuba yizwe elingenazo imfihlo. Umndeni nomndeni uneyimfihlo. Umndeni nomndeni uba nezimfihlo zakhona ukwazi ukufika abantu badonsa endlini uthi wena uzalwa yilo baba khangana nzalo wena lo uzalwa yilo wena uzalwa yilo uzalwa yilo. Leyo system leyo ayisoze yaze yasisebenzela ngoba izinto ziyalungiswa kodwa zilungiswa ngokohlelo. Ingakho kunemhlalandlini wakomkhulu kunegunundu lomndeni, igunundu lokuqala negunundu lesibili bese kuba nelawo la iphela khona zonke izinto. Ngoba mangavela amaqiniso khona imizi happy kabi manje lidina njengamanje. Mangavela amaqiniso amanye angenasidingo ngempela ongashimisi kube ngisho operate kwezwe. ngakho izinto kufanele sizibuke uqala kwazo nokuphethwa kwazo sikhule siba amadoda. For example ufuna uncoma nje lento eyenziwe uMasimula namhlanje ngimuzwe baye address lapha echaza unpack izimo khona iphuza lishilo wathi ke commissioners ngicela ungaqhubeki ngichazele I can't further explain that as a result of ukuthi I would be teaching others ongikhumbuza ubaba wami ukuthi how to commit and wenza ubugebengu wathi ke le nto ngikhumbuza ubaba wami engathi yena usengayenza ihunga ngithi mina yini wathi ngitshela ngifundiswa amaphoyisa hawu baba into ephethe kangaka wathi abantu njengamanje amaphoyisa angaza kufundisekile ngani ufuna ukukhuluma le nto uyikhuza uyigcine kanjalo uyichaze eboardroom mawuchaza abantu labantu hayi uyichaza emphakathini ngoba mawuchaza emphakathini abantu abafuna ukulalela into ewukuphila balalela lento lena ewukufa mawese ungihlanganisa nokuthi igebe ukukhuthela baqhubeke benza ama drugs and then yonke lezo zinto lezo zirong and then ubaba ke lokho ukuthi ukhuluma ulinde gawululinde noma uyindoda wakho umuzi thina isiganyiwe sinesithembu nje esingamadoda angempela hayi amadoda okudlala amadoda nesibindi ngempela ke indoda enjalo idlula ngisho inkabi ethengwa ibulala abantu akho sibindi lezi izinto lezi akho sibindi lezi zinto indoda nesibindi ekwazi ukutshela umfazi omunye ukuthi uyeza omunye finish nayo indoda yithi ke lapho imbongolo lezi ezimbongolo nje into eyenzakalayo ke emveni kwalokho bese ngifike futhi ngigoqa ngokuthi le commission sihlalile khona into ebuhlungu engifuna ukuntshela yona ningezama Afrika nkana nani bosoma politiki niyakhumbula yini ukuthi emveni kokukhululwa kwalelizwe laseNingizimu Afrika anikwazanga ukuba fair enough ekuthenini man empowerisha abantu abamnyama nize nisungula lento ethi uBEE bese iba nesystem yokuthi nizosebenzisana kanjani nabo ngoba phela amaqembu wezepolitiki ufuna ungichazela mina ahola kuhulumeni ukuthi akhona nje kodwa wona wayiholela ngalo mali ayithatha ibeke le asuka lapha azoyiholela ngemali ngabenza ama services kahulumeni osomabhizinisi njengamanje kuwo wonke ama political organization especially iIFP especially iANC ngifuna ukunitshela iqiniso lonke neqiniso lodwa osomabhizinisi onebhizinisi nohulumeni sebekhathele ukukhuthuzwa osopolitiki usuku nosuku wenza kuthiwa khona inkomfa ehlele wenza kuthiwa khona i-by election okwazi ukuthi khona osomabhizinisi osekhuthuziwe lapho 2 years udaba sobuye sikubone omasipala imali ama-officials azaboshwa amanye azashawa i-depression afe ayikumnandi yini if you are you are an official employed based on your degree, based on your experience, based on your wisdom, based on your knowledge as an official uqashiwe usuka lapho uzodlala uhudulwe usopolitiki kade wena uyi-qualified a candidate uhudulwe usopolitiki akuhudulwe udakeni akusayinise i-invoice ka-27 million oyazi kahle ukuthi lento engiyisayinayo mhlazana ngifunga ngithathe lo msebenzi mhlazana ngisayini bathubele nenze iqala ayikaze awukaze wenziwe lo msebenzi engosayinayo lo mgwaqo awukho le bhola yikho lamathaka wathengiwe awekho but you are practicing the corruption because of ama-politicians then aphendula ama-officials now aba-hoskotheni ama-officials now agcine ethanda imali osopolitiki bayakhongozela bakhe imizi yabo bahlale komhlanga bahlale yonke indawo makwenziwe inkonfa bafuna ukuxhaswa maxhasiwe nabo kaze ngiyibonke nje izwe lekwi-ground 0 njengamanje thina sifana nabantu yakuthiwa we are in the midst of umkhwanasi siphethwe umkhwanasi li-under ikhuphu kamkhwanasi ngokwe-system ukuthi phela lelizwe alifani namanye amazwe kodwa li-under khuphu leliyazwe if umkhwanasi was a commander wabasosha ngabe lelizwe khona ngabo angitshela mina kodwa ke into eyenzakalayo manje esimple yokuthi manje kwenziwe i-commission yama-government officials to where they will be under mask bangavezwa ngoba phela niyashuphulana nani good niyabulalana usizo ongaluzwa lapho ama-officials engakanani akuyibona abantu who are responsible for finance kwa procurement endaweni ethizeni usizo olungashowe labo bantu ubuhlungu obuzwayo labo bantu azikathi omunye udlela imoto asayini invoice ayazi ngathi uyayikhokhile qhamuka nje izohleka lapha nje qhamuka isidala hey namu sibamba dada uzwa ngohleko lakhona ungathi izimo uqapha inyama umuntu ebhodweni hey I'm fine manje isibheke nalezi zinto in conclusion Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa iphoxekile ngawe baba ngidumele 100% ukudumala kwami kuhambisana nokuthi you have been a very unfortunate president not a bad president to say but unfortunately awunamgogodla wangena ngasikhathi esibi uzazela umanuva lapha emayini ngendlela ebandivela ngayo kodwa ayithola usuku uhulumeni uphoqeleka nawe ukuthi ubosopolitiki ungayena sopolitiki leyo nto leyo yakulimaza and futhi you are an over consulting leader you don't take decisions you are not famous with deciding yabona nje ikuza kithi enkandla leyana noma yinamaphutha la inaphutha khona kodwa ayayithatha inqumo uthatha inqumo that's being a leader you must be a leader take decisions and be courageous and be firm and ma uphethile futhi ungasabi ukusho ukuthi uphethile manje uzoconfirma into endala ekade ixoxwa oza kwenu nomndeni wakho wakwaKhongolose ukuthi vele ukazi ufanele ukuba lapho khona uthema ufika isystem ye-economy ethinta abantu abamnyama yashut down yaphela thema shut down ama-opposition wonke avuka kuvukela kodwa iStellenbosch bekulokuthiwa nje ihlombe iWestern Cape belokhu lishayile ihlombe ngithi mina njengenkosana yezwe Matamela Ramaphosa njengenkosana kaKhongolose njengomshisi wempepho njengobaba ophethe isihlangu okuya ngesihlangu sikala ngalibalele the first president of African National Congress njengomfowethu okuya ngesihlangu sikaMandela owamaphezulu kwethuna likalanga abalele 27 April 2027 wabeka la isandla what dear Mr. President I am standing here before you to tell you that today South Africa is free ugiya kanjani ngathi usihlanga uyishisa kanjani la umpepho uyoma phambo kumphefumulo wonke kaKhongolose uzowutshena ukuthi awuyilutho after 30 years izwe libulewe nina uthi abantu abangcono izitha zethu uzophahla izitha zethu uzoshisa impepho yoHelen Zille uzoshisa impepho ye-NPA ye-TA yamanyala asicindezela siphuca umnotho uzopraise ama-Oppenheimers uzopraise ama-Ruperts leyo nto leyo oyenzile ideserve inhlawulo emndenini inhlawulo yakho ke baba ukuthi ushayisa ngomoya ngoba vele niku-GNU nje anikaze nize lezihlambuluko nabelungu abacindezela kabuhlungu kangaka lutho nifanele njengoba nishade nekatha ontule bathule nje ngiyayisola ukuthi uNtuli ngamfundisela nokuhleka ngiyayisola uhambe ehleke ekhawula wonke umuntu akho decision akho implementation istanje nayo uNtuli nombalo lesebe into eyodwa nje manje istanje bafika beyaluza nje manje ke Ramaphosa wazokhankasela uHelen Zille ukuthi azoba imayor of Johannesburg kwi-Johannesburg enkundleni yesigameko udlamandla kaPanyaza Lesufi ngoba phela iANC ayithayina abaholi they are just scattered all over ugodleni nje anasi uPanyaza Lesufi ucindezelelwane nje anasi oJunda bacindezelwane nje anasi baningi kodwa ngibala lo wale Eastern Cape omunye ophapheme nalo siso lokuthiwa umshivuti lo ose-ofisini kamongameli naye noma ebuye kukhona izinto lezi abuye naye abe technically incorrect ngazo kodwa okuningi ukushaya kahle ophila kisona nathi siyabheda nami ngamaphilisi okuhlala kodwa futhi ngiyayikhuluma into okuyiyona anazi ukuthi kwenzelani lokho. So uRamaphosa is the most failure of African National Congress president of all times. And if you look at his heart, he does not deserve to be in that position. He was wrongfully elected. Namanje ufuna ukuhamba uvishwe yibo laba bangaphakathi abashaya idadama bangazibenzani. Nazi madlangadlanga commission. Lento bengisho ukuthi there will be nothing. Kuzobabaza no arrest, nothing. Ulinde i-G20 uSiril. Ngabe kade ayihambele. Ngakho ke ngithi mina so lithatha kanjani izwe? Siqhubeka esinikeza labo bantu. Mina ngazama ukuthi ngiqalaze zonke intaba ngonyaka odlule. But ngabona ukuthi noma kuthiwa ukusha noma kuthiwa kudala noma kuthiwa uchatshelelwa kangakanani, kodwa better the devil you know. Mathukwa kwathiwa ninginike imali. Khona imali ongineyona Cyril? Zero. Imini umuntu ohluphe kunabo bonke abantu. Bonke abantu bashaya idada ambuko duma. Yabo. Baba aphila kamnandi yonke into. Anginendaba ke mina usize ngijwayele. It's my home. So angafune imali vele. Ngangenza justice mina yola ngalibalela. One day they will know how to reward those people who have fought for freedom and for true freedom of economy. Not like other sellout. Kodwa manje ngithi Matamela, I'm disappointed in you. Lokho kwenzile baba mongameli. Sikuhlonipha kangaka. Ngithi ufike egcineni. Ubulele uKhongolose successfully. Uqede nya. Uyibulele i-movement of the people who was formed in 2012. Uqede nya. Ulubulele izwe laseNingizimu Afrika. Uqede nya. Umnotho ubulele uqede nya. You deserve all flowers. You deserve all the huge round of applause. You deserve the green and the red carpet in Stellenbosch and flowers flooding to you and to your name for the good job that you have done. But we will never rest as African black skin till we find our economy. And we are washing every corner and everywhere. uNkulunkulu wasiphakameni ngithi shembe uNkulunkulu wezinomhlaba ngithi shaka kasenza ngakhona uvuke emalebeni mushweshwe uvuke emalebeni sekunjalo ziyakhala manje Ningizimu Afrika. I thank you Bayingizwe Mlando Chunu, the president of the Nation. The ball is in your court.